everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the next main, that is 3-mark questions. So here the 17th question is solve the pair of linear equation by elimination method. Okay, so now by elimination method, if you see, you have to see this coefficients and you have to check for the variable also. If it is with the opposite sign, it is very easy for you. So now when you see plus y and minus y, directly you can start cancelling. So plus y minus y, so just cancel it. So you are going to write the remaining one, that is 4x plus 2x. 4x plus 2x will be equal to 6x. So 6x will be equal to 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. So value of x will be equal to 12 by 6. So 12 by 6, which is equal to 2. So x value is equal to 2. So now you have to substitute the value of x in any one of the equation. So I will choose the second equation, 4x minus y is equal to 9. So you can choose any equation, there is no restriction. So here it is 4 into 2 minus y is equal to 7. 9. And here it will be 8 minus y is equal to 9. So now we need y value. So I'll just shift this here and 9 I'll shift it to the other side. So you will get 8 minus 9 is equal to y. So what is the value of y? 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 is equal to minus 1. So y will be equal to minus 1. Okay. So there is an option of answering. So I will show both the questions so that you people can choose which you want. So show that the lines intersecting by a linear pair of equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 and 5x plus 6y is equal to 2 are intersecting by comparing their coefficients. So now when will two lines intersect? Two lines will intersect when there is a point, when there is a common point in both. So that how it is possible? It is possible only if the ratio of a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. You will have an unique solution, no? So that is the reason. So now here we will start comparing the coefficients. So a1 is 2 and a2 will be 5. So it is 2 by 5. So now we will write b1 by b2. b1 is here 3, b2 is 6. So here it is 3 by 6. 3 by 6 can be simplified as 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now you can clearly observe, are they both equal? No, they are not equal. So now you can conclude that these two lines, you will get the intersecting lines. We get intersecting line by comparing their coefficients. By comparing their coefficients. Okay, then we will see the next question. Find the 15th term of the arithmetic progression 6, 10, 14 using the formula. So now 6, 10 and 14 you have to find out the 15th term. So now here we can write the first term. First term is 6 and d you have to find. D will be equal to 10 minus 6, that is the second term minus first term you should do, that is equal to 4. Now you have to find 15th term. 15th term means A15 you have to find. So A15 is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So it is 15 minus 1 into D. If you are not sure of the formula, first write down the formula. Okay. So AN, that is AN, sometimes children will write it as TN also, that is also correct. A plus n minus 1 into D. N is nothing but the number of terms. So now we will start substituting the values. So we know what is A. A is 6. Here 15 minus 1 is 14 into, here it is 4. So it is 6 and 14 plus 14 into 4. 14 fours are. You have to see. So here it is 14 into 4 is 50. So which is equal to 62. So A15 is equal to 52. Then next, moving on to the next question. Find the sum of the first 15 terms of 369 using the formula. So first 15 terms, if you want to find, first you should know what is A. So now here A is equal to 3. And what is D? D will be equal to difference of the second one, 3 minus 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. So now you have to find out S15. So S15 will be equal to n divided by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a into n minus 1 into d. In this chapter, only these two formulas you have. Very easy it is. So you should know the formula. Otherwise, you may find it difficult. So here it is. N is 15 and 2 into 3. First do the substitution. Whatever you have know the value, first substitute. First itself don't go to simplify. D is here now. Okay. Now we can't simplify these two. Write as it is. Next, 2 into 3 is 6 plus, not plus, here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, plus here everywhere. So plus n minus 1 is 14. 14 into 3. So like this, step by step when you write, you will not make mistake at all. So don't skip any steps. So it will be 15 by 2 divided by, here you will get 6 plus 14 into 3. You will get 42, right? So now when you multiply, you should get the final answer, and if possible, wherever it is possible, you can even multiply it also. Okay, cancel also, cancellation also you can do. So 42 plus 6, 42 plus 6 you have to do. It is 48. So here you can cancel 2s and 4s, you can cancel. So here you will get 720. You will get 720. This will be the answer, 720. And then next, moving on to the next question. Verify whether 130 is a term of arithmetic progression. So how to check whether it is a term or not? You have to substitute the values and see. So here it is an. An means already the term they have given. An is equal to 130. And now we know what is A. A is the first term. What is the first term? First term is here is 3. And what is D? D you have to find out by subtracting 7 minus 3. This is an optional question, okay? So D will be equal to 4. So now we will substitute in the formula, that is an. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So that formula we will just substitute n minus 1 into D. So A value, write as it is here. A is 3. N we don't know. and D also we know, that is 4, and here it is 130. AN is 130. Okay. So now what you can do is just write 130, shift this 3 to the other side, minus 3, and here you will get minus 3 is equal to 4n minus 4. Okay, just multiply here. These two should be multiplied. So here you will get 127 is equal 127 plus 4. Shift this 4 to the other side is equal to 4n. So here you will get 131. 131 divided by 4 you will get is equal to n. Right? So now we will just check what is 131 divided by 4. You will get somewhere in decimal. Okay, you will get it in decimal. So decimal is not at all possible in this case. Okay, you cannot have a decimal number. So you can say here 130 is not a term because n is not because n is in decimal. Okay, you cannot have a decimal number, you cannot have a negative number. Okay, n means it is a number. So number of terms. So number of terms, how it can be with decimal or negative numbers cannot be at all. Okay, so you can choose which question you want to do. Then now let's see the next question. Next question is, here you have to find the value of the discriminant and hence the nature of the roots of the equation. You have to find. Okay, so I think so it's too long now. There are some more questions. I'll do this in the next video. Okay, children, meet you in the next video with the some more questions. Children, there are some more questions to be solved. So meet you in the next video with those questions.